one thing we have to work on is we got to learn how to rush the court when you have a big win like that. It wasn't, impactful enough. Look, when your two big guns step up, when you play defense the way we did as a group, Malik Kone was an unsung hero. Junior E2 just was a stud throughout the entire game. It was just great partnership for 40 minutes. But our guys and our crowd were great tonight. I'm just happy for our community, We've suffered, and I'm just happy for it. I'm happy for everybody in the state, our faculty, everybody that supports me, our fans, and hopefully, this is part of the healing process that we have to go through, and the process that we've talked about. I'm just, I love my school, I love this community, and I'm happy for it. Sorry.